Hey everyone, today I'm going to unbox the Nothing Watch Pro. So without wasting any time, let's see the first impressions of the Nothing Watch Pro. Its packaging is very unique and different from other smartwatch packaging. It looks flat and there are separate compartments for the products. The cardboard and plastic quality feels very good. If I talk about its price, I ordered it from Amazon for $70. It is available in one size only and it has a 4 out of 5 rating on Amazon. To check the offer on it, tap on the buying links in the description. It opens like a book, and as we open the box, we can see all the 3 products at once. Here is some watch related information written on it. First, let's take a look at the charging cable. It comes with a user manual inside the charging cable box. Let's take them out. The charging cable has magnetic pins, which means you cannot charge it wirelessly. The quality of the cable is okay. Now let's check out the second product, which is bands. These are made of silicone and have a good quality and feel. They are orange in color, but they are also available in silver, dark grey and ash grey colors. It comes with a quick release pin mechanism, allowing you to customize the bands according to your preference. Now let's take a look at the watch. It is wrapped in a tiny plastic bag. It is made of aluminium alloy on the sides, but it looks like stainless steel. The back side is made of plastic. These are its sensors, and to charge it, you will need to attach the charging pin here. Its body is quite lightweight and has a slightly thicker side. Now, let's talk about what sets this smartwatch apart. First up, the display. It boasts a 1.96-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 410 by 502 pixels. With over 600 nits peak brightness and support for an always-on display. Moving on to the battery life, the Nothing Watch Pro comes with a 340 mAh battery, and according to the company, it offers up to an impressive 13 days of usage on a single charge. Now let's talk about its sensors. It is equipped with an accelerometer sensor for activity tracking, a heart rate sensor, a blood oxygen saturation sensor, and satellite positioning systems for GPS tracking. In terms of connectivity, it features a Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless pairing with your devices and a built-in GPS for precise location tracking during your outdoor workouts. When it comes to tracking your health and fitness, it can track your heart rate, monitor your sleep patterns, measure your stress levels, and even track your blood oxygen saturation levels. But wait, there's more. With over 110 sports modes, including popular activities like running, cycling, and swimming, you will always find the right mode for your workout. Plus, it offers convenient features like smart notification alerts, a pedometer, calorie counting, and step tracking to keep you connected and motivated throughout the day. It also has a speaker and mic for Bluetooth calling. The Nothing Watch Pro has 128 MB of internal memory and also allows you to add offline music through its companion app. This watch is water resistant. In my opinion, the Nothing Watch Pro provides full features at an affordable price. But at this moment, I can't say anything about its accuracy. So subscribe to this channel for our in-depth review where we will dive deeper into its functionalities to check accuracy. What do you think about this watch? Tell me in the comment section below. That's our unboxing of the Nothing Watch Pro. Don't forget to hit the like button, check out our channel for more wearable tech goodness, and I'll see you in the next video.